Hello there, today I'd like to show you how you can make some gorgeous advent stickers and how to make them waterproof using laminating pouches. Let me show you what they look like closer up. You can make these stickers on any of the Maker machines or any of the Explore Air machines. You'll need a fine point blade, some sticker paper. I'm using A4 matte white sticker paper compatible with inkjet and laser printers, which is 80 GSM in weight. If you'd like to make your stickers waterproof, then you'll need laminating pouches. I'm using A4 glossy pouches, which are 160 microns thick, and you'll also need a laminating machine. I've had mine for several years now, and it's a very basic model. And you'll need access to design space. You're also going to need designs for your stickers. For these stickers, I googled free Christmas PNG images. There are a lot of images that are free for personal use. If you're hoping to sell stickers, then you'll need to look into commercial licenses for the images that you use. When you find an image that you like, download it to your device. You'll need 24 images for these advent stickers. To get the images from your device into Design Space, you need to go to your canvas and on the left side click on the Upload button and click on Upload Image. Then you can either drag and drop your image into this space, or you can click on Browse, go to your downloads and click on your image and then open, and your image will be uploaded into Design Space. Select Complex for the image type and check that it doesn't need cleaning up. If it's not a nice clean image, then I would delete it and look for another one to replace it. Now select Apply and Continue. Then click on the coloured picture that says Print Then Cut Image and then hit the green Upload button. The image will be added to your uploads. To add it to your canvas, click on it and click Add to Canvas. If you have Cricut Access, then there are a lot of Christmas images in Design Space. If you go to Operation Type and click on Print Then Cut, then you'll find lots of images that are ideal for stickers, but you can also use any of the images. You would just need to make sure you flatten them before you send them to the Make It page. When you find an image that you like, click on it and then go down to the bottom and send to canvas. I just want to show anyone who doesn't already know how you can get the most stickers onto a sheet of sticker paper. It's helpful to have a guide on the canvas. So you'll need a square from Shapes. The maximum size for Print Then Cut is 6 3/4 inches by 9 1/4 inches. Metric measurements are at the bottom of the screen, and you'll want to resize it to those measurements. You can turn this into a guide by going up to Operation and clicking on the arrow to look at the menu and selecting Guide, which is at the bottom of the list. The guide just stays on the canvas and doesn't get transferred to the mat on the Make It page. You can fit 12 stickers that are around 2 inches in diameter or 2 inches square into this space, and you can get 23 1.5 inch stickers if you place them like this, and you can fit 35 1 1/4 inch stickers. So to make these stickers, you'll want to select a circle from Shapes. It's already 2 inches in diameter, so you don't need to resize it. Now duplicate it 2 times. And now select an image from Uploads or from Design Space and add it to the canvas. And resize it to fit inside your sticker. You'll want to check that the lock above the size boxing is closed so that you keep the proportions of your image. Then place your image on top of a sticker background, leaving space for a number. Next, you'll need a text box and choose a font style that you like for the numbers. If you have Cricut Access, you can choose any of the fonts that have the A next to them. You can choose a font from System, which are all the fonts installed onto your device. I like to bookmark my favourite fonts so that I can find them more quickly under the Bookmark tab. Once you've found a font that you like, you need to resize it to fit. Then change the text to a number, change the colour to white and place it on top of your sticker, and adjust the size if needed. Next, you're going to want to change the background colour. Click on the edge of the circle and then click on the black square on the top panel and choose a colour from the menu. It's very important not to forget this next step. You need to highlight your sticker and then go down to the bottom of the right panel and click Flatten. And that's your first sticker finished. And you can just pop it into the top left corner of the guide. And then you can just repeat the process for the next 11 stickers for this page. Once you've completed all 12 stickers, select all and go to the bottom of the right panel and click on Attach. Next, go across to the Layers panel on the right and click on Square, and then Duplicate, or Control or Command D on your keyboard. And now you have a guide for your second sheet of stickers. And the recent update means that we can now label our layers. To do this, double click on Attach. It's a slightly darker green, and you can give it a name. I've called mine Sticker Sheet 1. Now, if you click on the I next to the name, you can hide your first sheet, which will give you more space on your canvas to do sheet 2. And now you can go ahead and create your stickers for your second sheet. And when you're finished, you can click on the I next to Sticker Sheet 1 and bring it back to the canvas. And now you're ready to go to the Make It page and click on Send to Printer. I like to keep the Add Bleed button on. This helps to get an accurate cut. And to get the best print quality, you'll want to switch on the Use System dialog. Then press Print. It won't go to your printer until you've changed the settings in your dialog box and pressed Print there. After a few moments, the dialog box will appear behind the Cricut Design Space page, where you can select the best quality option in your settings. Then press Print to send it to your printer. Using laminating pouches is a really easy way to make your stickers waterproof. Just pop your sticker sheet inside the laminating pouch and then into your laminating machine, which needs to be on the hot setting. If your laminating machine is not hot enough, then the laminating sheet will not stick to the sticker sheet. Now you need to go back to Design Space and select your base material. As there isn't a setting for laminated sticker sheets, you'll need to create your own. It's easy to do. You just need to go to Browse All Materials and click on Material Settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on Add New Material. And then type a name in the box. Click Save and then scroll up the list until you find your new material. There are 3 settings that you can change. The first is the pressure setting. Then you can choose how many cut passes you want to have. And then you can choose what type of blade you want to use. After a bit of experimenting, I found that the best pressure setting for this type of sticker paper and laminating pouch was 240. So to change the pressure setting, you can either use the plus and minus buttons at the end of the scale, or you can click on the green circle and move it up or down the scale. Once you're happy with your setting, click Save, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Done. The setting I've chosen gives a kiss cut, which means you can peel the sticker off of the backing paper. Now you can set your base material. Go to Browse All Materials, put the name of your new material in the search bar, select it and click on Done. If you don't want to laminate your sticker sheet, then I find that the washi tape setting is the best one with less pressure. When placing your laminated sticker sheet on your mat, it needs to go in the top left corner as it was in Design Space. And you'll want to make sure that it's the paper edges lined up against the guide on the mat and not the clear edges of the laminate. And I recommend using tape to secure your laminate to your mat to make sure it doesn't move during the cut. To get an accurate cut, it helps to darken the room by turning off the light and closing the curtains. This will help the sensor read the registration border around the stickers more accurately. Once your machine has read the registration marks, it will go ahead and cut around your stickers. Once your first sheet has been cut, you'll go through the same process with your second sheet on mat 2. I hope you enjoy making your own stickers. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help if I can. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye for now.